Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Let me just sit here because if I try to move to this side, another thing is going to happen. So welcome back again to my channel, and I am Bukola, just in case you're new here. And in today's video guys, I bring to you guys good tidings. I don't know why I'm happy, but I know that anytime I bring to you guys good tidings, I'm always happy. I don't know what happened today. The sun is facing here. If I do any mistake and shift here, you people will see another thing. So let me just sit here, or should I try? Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Can you see? It's a whole different ball game. Can you see? Sunlight can go a long way, but let's sit down so that I won't blind myself before I finish this video. So today guys, I am going to be telling you a DIY facial that is so simple, like the simplest that you can do with just 3 things at home, that is going to help you. It is going to help you a lot. It is going to help your face a lot. I know sometimes we are not all, it's not all the time you have cash enough to go for normal proper facial. And I used to see facial for the lowest I have seen facial that at least that is okay, all this does the normal facial. I think the lowest I have seen is 5,000 naira. And some people might consider it like, oh, 5,000 naira is a lot of money. I don't think I can do that now. I don't even go for facials outside. I think I've only done facials my entire life. I'm shy to say it. I've only done facial my entire life, like outside proper that they will do all these things on your face. I've only done it once. Don't abuse me, don't insult me. I'm sorry. Okay, but today I'm going to be telling you the tricks that I do at home. Sometimes that is going to help me. I know the last video I posted, I talked about how I showed you guys how I always shave my face. But if I did not post this one, definitely my face or my facial routine is not complete. So I have to post this and you have to watch it, please. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, support your girl, turn on your post notification so that you get notified anytime I drop new videos. And guys, the sponsor of today's video, you guys can see I'm happy. You can see I'm happy. The sponsor of today's video is pinkish.essential. I know this might be the very first time you're hearing this thing. Just calm down. I will give you the full information. Don't go anywhere. This particular brand is on Instagram as pinkish.essential. I'm going to leave their name on the screen, and they deal with skincare products. I mean skincare product. I mean original skincare product. Like, you don't need to stress yourself. You really do not need to go too far. They sell all kind of skincare products. They sell UK products, they sell USA, they sell Thailand, they sell France, original sourced products. They sell original products that are okay, effective, and work. So I know the reason why I'm happy again for this is because of the fact that anytime I post videos or anytime I make reviews about some products, you guys always tell me, where can you get it, where can you get it? And I have a specific place that I can tag that, okay, you can go here to get it, or you can get it from this particular place. So today I bring to you pinkish essentials. They sell all kind of skincare products. They have UK, they have products from the UK, they have from the US, they have from France, they have from Thailand, that are being sourced from the original. So don't be scared. You are not buying the fake. No, I'm not going to bring a fake product to you. I know I don't have mine. People will beat me. I don't have mine. So they sell original products. In case you want to buy, do you know the funniest thing about this brand that I love the most is the fact that they have a walk-in store that you can go there yourself and buy whatever product you want to buy. They have a store where you can walk in and buy products that you want to buy. Almost all the things that I have talked about on my channel, they have them. You can buy from them, and I'm going to be leaving their address as well in the description box for those of you that want to go to their store to get your product. I know there's no amount of time you can preach that you can buy something online. Some people want to go and see the store themselves. Yes, I know you. Don't worry, I will make it easier for you. I'm going to be dropping their address in the description box, so you can go to their store if you want to buy from them. One thing again, but wherever you are, if it's inside the moon, they will deliver to you, and I think that is fair enough. I have a page on Facebook as pinkish essentials as well. They have affordable prices for everything, whatever thing you want to buy. So go into today's video. There's one thing I always do once or twice in a month. It is all because it helps me to open my pores and helps me to remove my blackhead as well. If you don't know, this helps to open your pores and also remove your blackhead and also help with blood circulation. So this is what I do, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do a simple DIY facials. So if you have not watched my last video, I made a video where I talk about how I shave my face, but I don't always stop there. I know I don't mention it there, but I don't always stop there. I do a little facials myself at home, and it is so simple, the simplest of it all. All you need is a bowl, hot water, and essential oils. You guys know I love essential oils. So all you need is just a bowl, hot water, and essential oil. Hot water, then you pour the hot water in a bowl and you put drops of essential oils. I always use lemon. I use lemon, so you can use any other one that you love to work with, or any other one that you know that works for you. If you want to know essential oils that are okay for facials as well, you can browse more. There are more essential oils that you might not even know about as well, but I use lemon. So you put drops of essential oils inside the hot water that is in the bowl. Then I cover myself with a thick towel. Like, I cover my head with a thick towel and pull my face. So guys, what this particular thing does is that it is going to help you open your pores and also help you soften your blackhead. You know, sometimes a lot of people, like, they battle with blackhead. So what I do is that I just put water inside a bowl, then I put essential oils, then I cover myself with very thick towel so that the heat that is coming out can steam my face. That's what I do basically, and I do that for I stay there for 5 to 10 minutes. If you can enjoy it for 10 minutes, you can enjoy it for 5 minutes, but I particularly stay there for 8 to 10 minutes sometimes. So what this thing does is that it's going to open my pores and also soften my blackhead and also help me with blood circulation on my face. So this thing is going to help you with, if you know that you find it difficult, or your pores are clogged, then this thing is something you can consider. That's why you see some people go for facials, or some people have been using product on their face and it's not working, and some people will recommend to them that they should go for facial so that they can help them with their face, steam their face and make their skin so soft. This thing makes your skin so soft. So after you have put your face there for 5 to 10 minutes, if you can go longer, but I recommend 5 to 10 minutes. And the next thing, I don't stop there. Oh, you thought I stopped there? No, I don't stop there. The next thing I do is I pick up my pure honey, then I start using honey to massage my face. I massage my face for about another 5 minutes before I wash the honey off. So after washing out the honey on my face, then I'm going to go in with my toner and I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. That is what I just did today. So in case someone is going to come and tell me I like your face, that is what I did before I started this video. I decided to share with you guys because I know it helps me a lot. It helps products work on my skin and it helps my skin to feel soft. Sometimes our skin might not be perfect and we just keep trying to do things to make it work. So if you know that you can do this thing at home, you don't even tell me it's not about if I know. You should be able to do it. It's simple, but don't pour hot water on yourself. I did not tell anybody. Do I need a microphone to say that? I did not tell anybody to pour hot water on their self. Don't pour hot water on yourself. I'm begging, but please try. You can try and do this as well. It is going to help your face and it's going to be very, very soft, especially after using the honey to massage your face. It is going to help your face to be very, very soft. And while you do this steaming, make sure that you have firstly washed your face. Make sure that your face is washed. That is what I do. I always wash my face at first before steaming, then I moisturize with honey, then I go in my toner and my moisturizer. So this makes your skin, it makes your skin look healthy. It makes your skin very soft. So this is something I do. Sometimes I do it once in a month, sometimes twice in a month. So but at least try doing this once in a month. I don't think it's going to cost you too much, because it's just I think the only thing you need to buy is the essential oil. You have hot water and stove and gas in your house. You have pots, so you don't need too much of stuff to buy, and I think it's cheap. So for those that cannot go for facial, this is the simple thing that I do that helps me. And thank you guys so much for coming on my channel today. I'm going to be leaving everything that has to do with pink tags in my description box, and I want you all to check them out. I'm going to put all the information you need to buy from pink tags in my description box, and please, you can order from them. It is safe, it is not scam, it is real. Their page is real. They even have a walk-in store, so you really do not need to stress yourself to start thinking if they are real or fake. So thank you guys so much for coming on my channel today. I will definitely see you guys. Bye.